Banks said no, don't lose another day. When traditional lenders slam the door, time is money. I say yes, we offer the newest funding programs for 2025. You can apply in 5 minutes. Get funded fast. Small businesses denied by banks. Can't wait for slow bank approvals, payroll, inventory, opportunity. You need capital now. A simple 5-minute application. Often approved the same day. Cash in your account when you need it most. Fast deposits, immediate relief. Funding from $10,000 to $2 million. Designed for growing businesses. No collateral required. Fair credit. Okay, no lengthy approval waits. Just a 5-minute form. Our concierge services will guide you every step of the way. Better service, easier approvals, rated excellent on Trustpilot, hundreds of satisfied businesses, flexible credit, only 4 months in business, retail services, healthcare, and more. I'm Brian M. Hazel, and I'm here to get your business funded fast. When banks say no, we say yes. Start now, it's quick and easy. Fill a short form, upload minimal docs, get personalized offers quickly, and receive funds often the same day. Use capital to grow, restock, or payroll. Opportunities don't wait, neither should you. Act now to secure the capital you need. Apply now. Just click the link below or call 301-204-9063. Speak to me now. Better offers, easier approvals, no collateral, fast deposits into your account, 5-minute application, business lines of credit, or simply working capital, fast funding, real results. From retail to healthcare, equipment, inventory, payroll. Fund it today, apply today, fund today. Your business can't wait. Just click the link below. We'll get you the capital you need, fast. When banks say no, we say yes. Apply now, just click the link below. Act fast. Act.
I was seeking financing for a rather complex financial transaction. I had seen where Potomac Mutual Trust had worked with others in the tech sector. They quickly broke down my needs and were actually able to provide me with the funds needed ahead of schedule.
If you don't like waiting for approvals but still need funds fast, then Potomac Mutual Trust is your go-to. Potomac Mutual Trust offers super easy to qualify DAC business loans designed just for small business owners like you. Got bad credit? No problem. Our customer-centric approach makes sure even businesses with less than perfect histories can get the funding they need. Whether you need working capital or want to expand, we've got you covered with flexible solutions. From business lines of credit to specialized loans, we cater to diverse needs. And guess what? Bad credit isn't a deal breaker here. We understand the challenges small businesses face, and we're committed to helping you conquer them. So why wait? Contact Potomac Mutual Trust today and let's get your business growing with our DAC loan programs. Ready to get started? Visit our website or give us a call now. Potomac Mutual Trust, your partner in business success.